I'm an RN. Anyway, it's been 14 years since my last surgery, but I still maintain residuals. However, with the PowerStrips, I gotta tell you, I am literally pain-free.
Right there, that within 5 days, I have no trigger finger.
Wow.
I can move that finger well, it won't trip. And plus, with it being there, I have no shoulder pain now.
Wow.
So it addressed several problems within my body.
Nice. Nice.
On skin. I actually have some sunburn damage, and because of my age, I'm getting not only dark spots, but little mole-looking things. And I'm putting the strips on them, and they are going away.
Just a shift in the pain. In 30 minutes, it was gone completely, and it hasn't returned since. And that's phenomenal for me, because usually I would take 4 Advil, and 4 hours later I would take 4 more. So this was phenomenal for me to have pain relief in 30 minutes. So I'm 100%.
Awesome.
I love PowerStrips, and they work, and I'm really happy to have found something that actually works on a serious condition like this. So thank you, PowerStrips.
Thank you.
I still had another one in my right kidney, and I actually felt it move from my kidney and through the ureter, the bladder, and out it came at 5. And it was just amazing, because it changed my life from having been in bed and not being able to function to a point where it cleared my body totally of all the stones. Wow. He had changed my life by getting these PowerStrips out. To move 4 stones out like that without any pain was just unbelievable.
The purpose of this video is to give you a very brief overview of a fantastic product called PowerStrips by FG Express. FG Express is a new division of a 10-year-old publicly traded company called Forever Green International. The flagship product in this new division is the PowerStrip, which is a patented fusion of modern technology and ancient herbs, and when worn daily brings energy to those parts of the body that need it. By increasing energy, one of the first benefits you'll notice is the relief of pain. For this reason, PowerStrips are listed with the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. The PowerStrips have also received another designation. It's called OTC, over the counter. That's also through the FDA. You might be surprised just how many people around you are experiencing some type of pain. They may have headaches or pain in their neck, their back, shoulders, knees, feet, or pain from a past injury or surgery. In fact, 1.5 billion people worldwide suffer from chronic, debilitating pain, and many are told it just won't get any better. Many are told just take these prescription drugs, regardless of the potential long-term side effects. But what if you had something all natural that could help people around the world who suffer from all kinds of pain? Ron Williams, our CEO and founder of Forever Green International, suffered from back pain for years due to sports-related injuries and surgeries. But after applying just one PowerStrip to his lower back, he experienced substantial relief for the very first time without pharmaceuticals. He quickly realized that we have something very special that the whole world needs. Since then, each day, we hear more amazing stories from people around the globe who are experiencing all-natural pain relief for the first time. PowerStrips are literally changing lives. This is such a simple product to share. All you have to do is share a sample of the product. Tell people to peel off the backing and put the PowerStrip where it hurts. That's it. Then let them feel the results for themselves. This is so easy to talk about, and when people experience all-natural pain relief, they'll be thanking you for sharing the PowerStrips with them. We invite you to take a look at the next video that covers the details in the science behind why the PowerStrips work and a word from our founder. We'll see you on the next video. The PowerStrips, listed with the FDA as a Class 1 medical device and just received the OTC, over-the-counter classification or designation. Let's take a look at the science. How are the PowerStrips working? Why do they work? To do that, let's head over to our medical department and start with Dr. Becky Mays. Dr. Mays is a board-certified gastroenterologist and has seen all the damage that has been done over the years by pharmaceuticals. She's the perfect person to learn how these PowerStrips are working. Dr. Becky Mays.
Hi everybody, this is Dr. Becky Mays. I'm one of your medical directors here at Forever Green International, and I'm a board-certified medical doctor, and I'm excited to talk to you today about PowerStrips. These amazing PowerStrips are helping people address their pain naturally. And guess what? This is a medical device listed with the Food and Drug Administration. We are addressing a $700 billion industry of pain management. Now, as a healthcare professional and being a GI doctor, I saw all of the side effects that occurred from pharmaceuticals that were prescribed for pain. So if patients came to me to see me in my office and they were on narcotics for pain or anti-inflammatories for pain, oftentimes they had side effects. Narcotics caused a lot of brain fog, a lot of abdominal distension, nausea and vomiting, sometimes very severe constipation. And the anti-inflammatories were very detrimental, sometimes to the liver and to the kidneys. And I saw the GI bleeding that occurred from anti-inflammatories. So what I love as a healthcare professional is I can recommend PowerStrips, an all-natural way to address pain. And when you look at the PowerStrip on the outer layer where love is written in 15 languages, there's germanium. It's a reflectant mineral. It just pushes heat back into our body. And when this heat goes back into our body, it delivers energy and heat deep into our system, and it increases our arterial dilation. So we have better blood flow and better oxygen delivery to the body. You can place it over the area of pain. You can just place it on the lower back, and you can wear it for 24 to 48 hours. I love this because we're addressing an industry that's been driven by the pharmaceuticals. I know that because I was in practice for 13 years. So guys, we're going into 190 countries with these wonderful PowerStrips, all natural. FDA has looked at it. We're a medical device listed with the Food and Drug Administration, and you know what? I'm very excited to be part of this global movement. So let's just join together and take this around the world.
Thank you, Dr. Becky Mays, for explaining how the PowerStrips work. As we've mentioned before, PowerStrips are designed for two main reasons. One, the temporary relief of pain, and two, improving the look and feel of skin. For a further discussion on how it's working with the look and feel of skin, let's head back over to our medical department and Dr. Adam Saucedo, MD. Dr. Saucedo.
I'm Dr. Adam Saucedo, and I'd like to talk to you about PowerStrips by FG Express. And I'd like specifically to talk about how PowerStrips are able to improve the look and feel of skin. It starts with germanium. Germanium has optical properties that allow them to harvest the heat in the area of the PowerStrip, redirect it to the body, and cause dilation of vessels. Where it comes to the skin, the microvasculature, the small vessels in the skin in particular, are important. And those are dilated, and they improve circulation to the skin. And they set up an environment to improve the look and feel of skin. In addition to germanium, we have additional ingredients. The first is called alpha-3 CMP marine phytoplankton. This is a proprietary form of naturally harvested marine phytoplankton. After 5 years of studying nutrition, I have never seen a more complete and perfectly balanced source of nutrition. There is Korean red ginseng. And the Korean red ginseng we use for the PowerStrips is processed in a very special way. It is fermented under very low oxygen tension. And what this yields are molecules, active molecules that have more effect. They have a longer half-life. All three of these ingredients are delivered to the skin, and they create on the surface of the skin an environment that is conducive to a healthy appearance. There are more than 3 billion adults walking the earth, and it is the skin that we present to the world. And how that skin looks plays an important role in what people see and on how we feel about ourselves. So by improving the look and feel of skin, we're able to reach out and in a real way touch the lives of billions of people.
Thank you, Dr. Saucedo. Now that you've had a chance to learn about this amazing product, seeing the science behind it and how it works for not only the temporary relief of pain, but for the improving the look and feel of skin, who do you know in your family, circle of friends, people that you love that could use this? You know, if a third of our population is experiencing pain, that means every third person you pass in the grocery store today could use this. Probably everybody we know experiences some type of pain. How about an all-natural product for that? There's two very simple ways that you can purchase the product as a customer. In the next short video, it's going to show those to you. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today. Welcome to Forever Green. Welcome home.
And I put it on my left knee. Like, it feels normal, and that's only been for a few hours. I don't even know what the time is, but there's a big difference in this leg now.
I've been experiencing pain for about 6 years. And, within trying the strips, within just a few minutes, I started feeling the difference